In this video, I'm going to show you how to install two Instagram apps on Android. So this is going to be a very fast and quick tutorial. So let's start our video. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to your settings. So you could access your settings via the home page here, or you could just wipe from above on your screen and just click on the top right. That's where the gear icon is. And from here, you want to look for apps, and under apps, you want to look for dual apps. Under dual apps, you want to look for the application that you want to have a second app for. So for example, we're looking for Instagram. So just click on Instagram here, and you just need to click on the dual apps option there, and it's going to create a second application for our Instagram. So when we actually go back into our home screen here and just hover over our pages, you'll see the second application that we have for Instagram. So from here, you just need to log in into your second account here on Instagram, and that's it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.